Hi guys! Recently when I was looking up makeup tutorials online, I realized that a lot of people were trying to find a no foundation makeup routine. I wanted to put my twist on it, and this is what I came up with. Usually when I don't want to do foundation or put a lot of work into my face for the day, because I'm either going to be sweating most of the day or just out and about, or I'm just lazy or in a rush, all of those count, and this is what I do. I tend to just do a lip color, and I go for a bit more on the eye, but not too much, if that makes sense. So it's almost like a soft glam on the eye, but all I do is eyeliner, lashes, and lip. So it's a really simple makeup routine, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do it. This is really great for people who wear masks throughout the day, because literally majority of your face is covered by a mask. So if you just want to look like you put yourself together extremely quick, eyes are a main focus, and this is a really simple way to get that look. So if you guys want to check out how I did it, just keep watching. So I'm going to be using Equate Beauty's Natural Beaming Daily Moisturizer. This also has SPF in it, so it's just great for everyday wear. And since we're not wearing foundation today, it's really important to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Next, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and go into my eyes, because they are the main two parts that I do for a no foundation makeup routine. I like to prime the eyes with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I do this because my eyes get really oily throughout the day, and to prevent eyeliner from transferring or just oil in general from being there, this is something I also do. If you want, you can actually put your translucent powder on places where you're normally oily. For me, it's my T-zone. I'll just pat a little bit of powder here and there. Now that our eyes are primed, I like to go in with a banana or vanilla or very just almost translucent powder to put into my crease. Again, this will just help with the oil control. I find that when I wear eyeshadows, my eyeliner and stuff that I'm wearing down here doesn't transfer as much to my upper lid, just because I have hooded eyes, and for some reason I get a lot of transfer. That is why I'm going for the additional step and doing this. It's just this banana yellowy type of cream color, and I just like to put that again in my crease. You don't really see it, which is the point and why I love this color. It's just to help. I like doing eyeliner on days where I have no foundation, just because it draws attention to the eye and it helps make me look a bit more put together. I'm going to be using this dark brown color, and I'm going to be taking it on an angled brush and just creating an eyeshadow wing. Here we are done with the eyeliner. Next, I'm going to be putting on mascara, because we're going to be putting on lashes. I just like to do a thin coat just to have them blend in. The lashes I'm going to be using are just a pair of Kiss lashes. I usually just always go with something with a bit of volume, but still natural looking. Taking my Kiss Lash Glue liner that I've been loving, I'm going to be using the liner over the eyeshadow that we already placed down. I'm just gonna follow the guide of the eyeshadow that I already put down. As you can see, they're pretty natural looking, just a little bit more volume, but as you can also see, my eyeliner doesn't look the greatest. To fix this, I go back in with that angled brush, go in with that brown, then I'm just lightly gonna go back over the eyeliner that we just did. I realized that the dark brown shade that I was using in my Warm Obsession palettes wasn't working very well with the black, so I decided to switch over to the Zodiac palette by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. And I use the color The Capricorn. It is a black with gold flecks in it. I love this, and it adds a bit more pop to your eye just because the gold flecks reflect in the light. That is what I did throughout, just to help it blend a bit more, because like I said, the brown I was using was a bit too light. This helped smoke the eyeshadow out a lot more. So that is all that I do for the eyes, just a bit of eyeliner or smoked wing, and then put my false lashes on. The last thing that I like to do is take something for my lips, so that eventually when I'm not wearing my mask, the lower half kind of also looks put together. So today I'm going to be taking a liquid lipstick that does not transfer to masks, and I will be adding a gloss on top of that. The color I'm going to be taking is Caramel Apple Diamond by the brand LipSense. I'm just topping it off with the LipSense Matte Gloss. Sometimes I don't want any type of gloss. I just want to seal in that color. This is also very hydrating for my lips, so I don't have to worry about them cracking, drying out, anything like that throughout the day. So that's also really helpful when it comes to wearing a mask. If you guys don't have LipSense, definitely try to look for a liquid lipstick or anything that you put on your lips to hydrate it as well. And guys, that is the completed look. It was really simple. I just like looking put together, but not necessarily having to put in all the effort that I normally would on a day where I put my full face together. So I mainly focus on eyes and lips. No foundation, no concealer, nothing like that. Just because I feel like naturally I even have like a pink tinge to my cheeks. I normally get hot in the summer, so sweat comes and all that stuff. If I would put anything on my face, it would be powder just to help soak up that oil. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we wear a mask most of the time when you're going out, when you're spending time with people, other than eating and drinking. I think for you to look completely put together without having any foundation at all, eyes and lips are the most important in my opinion. Here I show you what the makeup looks like with a full mask on. As you can see, it's just a beautiful, simple eye look, and your mask is covering the rest. But if you eventually take off that mask later on, you still have a lip color to kind of tie in your whole entire face. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was how I did my makeup routine without foundation. I hope you found it helpful in some way. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. While you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you will see my videos next week. And I will see you next time. Bye!